Alright guys, so it's been a minute. Now we're doing a Kia Soul. I have a lot of stuff going on, but don't have the time to actually record. So right now we're doing a blower motor on a Kia Soul. We got that panel. It's a knee panel here. It has two screws, two Phillips, one there, one here. This plate, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more. It doesn't allow me. So this plate here, it bolts here, here, and right there. Okay, take that plate off, and then you kind of come inside. See that orange sticker right there? That's the blower motor. Now that has about 3 screws, if I'm not mistaken. I'll try to show you guys here in a little bit once I get it out. But you see that aluminum Phillip head? Let me see. That one right there, that's one. Should be another one on top, and then should be another one right underneath that yellow cable. And then that should be able to slide out through here. Alright, so let me see if I can show you guys the process, and I'll get right back. Alright guys, so we are at this point. We took this cover off. You can see that's the blower motor. Now we're trying to make space to get it out because obviously it's too tight. It's not going to come out just like that. So we might have to take the accelerator, which has 3 bolts or 3 nuts, one there, one on top, and this plug here. And then we're going to have to take the brake pedal off. It has a clip here like a pin. It has 4 nuts, one there, one there, one there, and one there. And then when you keep on going up, see those 2 nuts right there? Okay, those 2 nuts, you just gotta break them loose, and essentially all this piece should slide out. Once we get all that out of the way, we should be able to lower that motor. Okay, be right back. Alright guys, so here we got the pedal off, that plug. This is the assembly, and that's how the motor came out. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it back in place. And if you guys wanted to change the resistor, this is it, which we are going to be replacing at the same time, because you're just replacing both at the same time. That way the speed works, everything works the same, and you don't have to be dealing with it later on. So, but yeah, you gotta do that to be able to get it off. Alright, let's put the new one back on, and then we'll put all the stuff back on. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so the blower is back in. That's a wire there. Everything is connected. Now we're gonna go ahead and put everything back on, but first let's try, see if this is working. There we go. Working in all of the speeds. Yep. Alright, so now we just gotta put on the we gotta put the brake, everything back on, and cover all this up, and it's all done. So that's how you do the blower on a 12 Kia. So remember, you gotta take pedal off, take the pin off, and take the accelerator off to make room for it to slide down. Alright, like always, share, like, subscribe, help me help you, and again, I appreciate you guys with all the help, subscribing and sharing the videos. It's slow, but it's getting there. Alright guys, thank you.